Okay, so with us, Gary Kirsten just announced as a technical consultant for Namibia Cricket. So Gary, just let us know a little bit about, maybe, I think you had a brief previous involvement with Namibia many years ago, but how do you feel about this new setup?
Yeah, I'm excited to be involved. To be able to add value to your smaller cricketing nations, I think is really important. I've had the privilege of coaching around the world. In a lot of the bigger cricket nations, and it's nice to be able to come to a place like Namibia. It's a neighbouring country for us, and I'm excited by the opportunity. I love the country, so hopefully add some value.
Yeah, so obviously the first big mission is the T20 World Cup, which is held in India, where you've also had quite a lot of experience. How do you feel about that task in front of you?
Yeah, I think to be in an international event with Namibia is going to be exciting. I'm looking forward to working with the coaching staff and the players. I've spent a lot of time in India, so hopefully can share some thinking around how to play there. So looking forward to that, yeah.